Something strange has emerged from Iran, and it's now raising more questions than answers. Well, satellite images are now in focus. Burn marks on the ground, multiple craters, and one of them nearly 40 feet wide, all located near Iran's Isfahan region, basically a place that has suddenly become a center of growing mystery. Here, Iran has made a bold claim. It says its air defenses shot down an American aircraft, and when the US tried to rescue its people, well, the mission failed. Well, with that people, we mean the pilot. Though not failed, but it turned chaotic. Well, according to Iranian officials, the United States launched strikes in the same area, with bombs falling very close to where its own forces were operating. Basically, a rescue attempt that may have gone terribly wrong. Now, pause here because this is where the whole story it splits. There is another version, by the way. Let me tell you something. One version that is quieter but just as explosive. Well, defense analysts, they are asking a very different question. What if this was not a failure? What if it was intentional? Can you think about that for a second? A downed fighter jet, advanced technology, sensitive systems, all sitting inside enemy territory here. So, what do? Leave it there and risk it being captured or destroyed before anybody else can reach it. Well, that's the possibility now being discussed here that the US may have bombed its own aircraft. Not by accident though, but by design. In fact, to erase evidence, to protect the secrets, to deny the access. And all of a sudden, those craters, they look very different now. Not signs of chaos, but signs of a deliberate decision. But, ladies and gentlemen, wait for a second, here's a problem. There is no official confirmation. Again, Washington has said nothing, no denial, no explanation, no clarity. And that silence is making the mystery even deeper. So, the question is, what really is in Isfahan? Was it a failed rescue mission, spiraling out of control, or a calculated operation where destruction was part of the plan here? Well, both the stories cannot be true, right? But right now, both are being told. And yes, in modern conflict, the battle is not just on the ground. Till now, you know, it's also about narrative, about perception, and about who controls the story. Because whosoever controls the story, that country, that nation, that leader controls the impact here. In the meantime, tensions between Iran and the United States remain fragile. Every incident, every claim, every unanswered question, it adds fuel to the fire. And this particular incident, it is not small. A downed jet, a risky rescue, massive explosion, and now a 40-foot crater that refuses to stay silent. So the question remains, was this a mission that failed or a mission that went exactly as planned, just not the way it looks? Because sometimes what appears to be a mistake is actually a decision.